guys, what's up? Hope all of you are doing well. So, well, I'm sitting in Uber right now and going towards Bandra, BKC to Geo Gardens, and if you're wondering why I'm going there, I guess you would already know why I'm going there. I'm going there because today is the 24th of March and today is FanFest 2017, and I'm so excited to go there because, but obviously, Nikhil is performing and walking the red carpet for FanFest this time, and I couldn't be much happier and proud for him. So I'm really excited. So the time right now is around 3 o'clock and I have to be there by 4 because the event is starting at 5:30, but I want to be there early because Nikhil has asked me to come early because the red carpet event is going to start at 5:30, so I thought I'll be there by 4 and I could vlog and show you guys as well. So this time Nikhil and I both are going to be vlogging, but obviously for FanFest, but then our point of views are going to be different. I can show you behind the scenes and you can see from his point of view how it feels performing and being on the stage. So I'm really excited, so let's go.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
So guys, I finally got to Geo Gardens and it's 4:15 right now. I got a little late, but it's fine. And Nikhil is there in his track pants and t-shirt there. So there's only 45 minutes remaining for red carpet, so he has to go get ready. So I'll catch you once he's ready so that I can like talk to him and ask him how he's feeling and all today, because it's a special day for him that he's been waiting for like almost for a year.
What?
Look at this guy, do you know him?
Which guy are you talking about?
The one behind the glass.
Yeah,
Kala
this is
chashma.
our-
This andha ladka.
This is how, like, you know what you call it? You know what you call this?
So guys, I'm with BU Nick.
What's up? What's up?
I guess you know him as Nikunj. Or they know you as BU Nick.
Nick. It's
Nick. Okay, Nick. And we're just chilling right now and doing time pass here because there's still a lot of time and Nikhil is getting ready. So we thought we'll just come here and chill.
I don't take time to get ready. That's why, like.
He just takes 2 seconds. It's like this and
I'm
he's
ready.
ready. Yeah. Are you going like this?
Yeah. What do you guys feel about my outfit for the red carpet? Good
It's
enough?
so cool, right? Like he doesn't care. It's like Salman Khan.
Just
Fuck,
a
I
little
don't
bit of stains over here. That's about it.
See. That's really funny though. Anyways, he's changing. Obviously, he's changing.
I am. I'm just changing the t-shirt. That's about
He's
it.
a YouTube star now. Why wouldn't he?
Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh my God. One sec. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Cool. So catch you guys in a while on the stage when we're
Check out the channel if you have not checked it out, and make sure.
Yeah,
to
check out his
subscribe.
channel, BU Nick. He makes really good videos and doesn't use any abusive language.
Exactly.
So that's awesome.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
I'll do it on her channel. It's not my channel. That's right.
Yeah, fuck it. It's okay. So guys, finally Nikhil is all set and all ready to go to the red carpet.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Feeling good, but bike चलाने नहीं मिली, so I'm feeling a little. It's okay, but what can
It's
we
okay.
do?
He's getting bigger on the stage, right?
Yeah. Taking on the stage, good.
So all the best.
Thank
Kill
you.
it.
Thank you.
It's your dream come
Yeah,
true.
it's odd and my leather is getting close to me.
But anyways, he's looking handsome today. All girls are gonna go for that.
Let's see.
So let's wish him luck and let him go.
Thank you. मुझे इधर.
नहीं है.
लग रहा है मेरा.
Nikhil is back from the red carpet and how are you feeling now?
Feeling amazing. I mean, लगाने तक कोई चिल्लाएगा.
I
Like, huh? The people are screaming more Hali than Nikhil, so
more hali.
because they're expecting a bike में आऊँगा.
Oh,
There is a Hali, I was like, on the stage.
acha. By the way, anyways, what was I saying? So your experience was good. I wish I was on the other side. I couldn't see that. I wanted to see you. Like I could only see him on the screen. I couldn't see in real. And how was it? Being in the audience is better. You know, it's fun. You can enjoy it completely.
It was amazing.
Better being walking the red carpet or have an audience?
Yeah.
Which is better?
What, walking the red carpet or?
Being in the audience.
Walking the red carpet. Obviously.
Obviously. And look there. Be Unique is ready.
Yeah.
The red carpet is done completely and now I'm still backstage and I don't know how to go in the front, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead when Nikhil is performing because I want to see his performance and shoot it and show you guys. I really want to see it for myself and cheer for Nikhil. So the function is just gonna start in 20 minutes, so I'm excited.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Welcome everybody to YouTube Fan Fest 2017. So this is my first time here, so I will try to last longer. I hope so. एक मर्द का हाथ सिर्फ 2 कारणों की वजह से हिलता है.
Let's see who his mystery guest is. You guessed as much than whom I'm going to collab with, and
मोनेटाइजेशन के जमाने में तेरा तेल का खर्चा और वो भगुड़बा. हाँ भाई कौन? इसको तेल का खर्चा है. इट्स ओके. तो भाई तेल का खर्चा तो मैं समझ गया. और हाँ, और बाइक के पेट्रोल का वो तो भाई निकल जाता है. अच्छा ये बताओ, बाइक और गर्लफ्रेंड में सिमिलरिटी
दोनों खर्चे बहुत कराते हैं. दूसरा, दोनों बहुत खूबसूरत होती हैं.
2. अच्छा,
बहुत जल्दी प्यार हो जाता है.
अच्छा. What about mileage?
नहीं देती. What's up, Mumbai girls? अरे वाह.
शाम के 8:30 होती है यार. सुबह से 1 रुपया भी कमाया.
मैंने एक वीडियो बना बुकी.
मैं तेरे से कह रहा था ना, वो नजर बट्टों वाला टीवी में मत दिखाया मुझे.
बनौती है साहब, मेरे को देखने दो, इधर ही कोई मुर्गा मिल जाएगा.
So Nikhil is done with his performance and so I'm just waiting for him to get back from his performance and he really killed it, so I'm so happy. And now I guess we're just gonna wait here till the event gets over and then go for the after party. Nikhil is back from his performance and I want to ask him how was his experience, because from 1 year he's been waiting for this. It was like his dream to perform on the stage and walk the red carpet. So how do you feel, Nikhil?
I feel great. Thank you everyone who are watching. I mean, मुझे लगा मेरे लिए कोई हुट नहीं करेगा because मेरे पहले कैरी गया था.
Are you insane? No one will hoot for you. It is in Mumbai.
No, I know, but still, you know, I mean, the world of entertainment belongs to the singers, the dancers, and the comedian.
That's true.
I am none of them. I am just a normal guy.
Because live में लोग dancing, comedy से ज़्यादा enjoy करते हैं. But honestly, you've got a lot of hoot. And your entry has to be the best, like out of everyone.
I didn't know the hoot was for me or for the bike, but then
No, it was for you. definitely. But how do you feel walking? Like your dream has come true?
I feel great. I feel complete. I feel कि मेरा mission complete हो गया. मतलब मेरा I got my first achievement.
I still remember last year when we came and you told me that it's your dream to walk. How many subscribers did you have last year?
Last year I had like around 25,000 when I was not walking, when I was a part of YouTube FanFest 2016.
And now it's 2,39,000 as of today, and it feels so great. You're so inspiring for everyone. So anyone who works hard can definitely be on this stage or part of the YouTube FanFest.
Thank you guys. Thank you for all the support.
Guys, good morning. Today is the 25th of March and I'm really sorry that I did not vlog yesterday at all after Nikhil finished performing. Actually, the thing that happened was that I left my camera on by mistake, and then when I went to shoot, at the end of it, my camera was dead, and then eventually I was too tired to vlog from my phone, and my phone has a temporary problem. It's being unable to focus, so I couldn't even record from my phone. So we went to the party after the FanFest got over at St. Regis. There was like a after party for all the YouTube creators who were performing and stuff. So I went with Nikhil, and then we were there till 3 AM in the night or something like that. And then I was so tired that we just came back by 4 o'clock. I came home at 4 o'clock, and then I just crashed, and then I was like, I'll end the video today because I wanted to tell you guys how my experience was. FanFest, guys, is really amazing. Like last year I attended it, but I wasn't having a YouTube channel at that time and I wasn't creating anything. But this year when I went there, and I have a YouTube channel now, and when you see, like, I'm so inspired like by Nikhil and all the other people who are there performing on the stage and everything, because really FanFest is an event that inspires you if you have a YouTube channel or you're planning to start a YouTube channel, because it inspires you and motivates you to work hard and makes you feel that if you work hard you could reach heights and be there yourself, presenting your channel on the stage amongst your audience. So yeah, like I'm completely motivated, and probably after my exams I'm definitely gonna like start making regular videos and improve and put in a lot of hard work, so that probably I could be there. Yes, I could be there next year walking the red carpet or probably performing. I don't know, but let's see. Anyways, so guys, that is it for my video, and I hope you guys like it. So if you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do comment whatever you feel like, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until my next video, bye bye.